It is not righteous that you turn your faces towards the east and the west, but righteous is the one who believes in Allah and the last day and the angels and the book and the prophets and gives away wealth out of love for him to the near of kin and the the orphans and the needy and the wayfarer, and to those who ask to set slaves free. Excuse me, and keep up prayer and pays the poor rate and the performers of their promise when they make a promise, and the patient in distress and affliction and in time of conflict. These are they who are truthful, and these are they who keep their duty.